Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G42. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap Explore Wallet. And as you can see, from the homepage of Wallet, you can add a card and add different types of cards to the wallet. If you go to Settings, you've got access to wallet tips, like automatically add passes to wallet from Gmail, pay quickly and securely, welcome to Google Wallet, and learn more about boarding passes, event tickets and more. Then you can set up your Google Wallet. For example, you can set payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks, and manage Password Manager. For example, you can check passwords, add passwords, or learn more about Password Manager. Next, you can manage your data in Wallet. For example, you can manage payment data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. Then we've got help and feedback, and in the end we can enter our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.